What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to talk to you about a position that I feel like I've been sleeping on. Not necessarily not investing or anything like that, but I've definitely been sleeping on the position. And the reason why I'm sleeping on it is because I haven't been talking about it as much. Really, there hasn't been too much excitement behind it, and that's probably the reason why I haven't been talking about it as much. But it is a position that I hold and that I truly believe in and that I talked about in the past. So I want to bring it up in this video, see how the traction goes. And maybe it's because of the traction, right? Because, the traction isn't really as big on YouTube, but I still want to talk about things even if they don't have the level of traction that others end up having, right? It still has a form of popularity. So let's talk about ADA. Let's talk about Cardano in this video, which is a position that, again, I've talked about in the past, and that's why I currently hold it now and why I hold 10,000 now. So it's one of my bigger gainers, and also I've traded with it short term recently and made a little bit of money, probably made some of the most money that I made within this account. But let's talk about it. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out any of the links down below. You can check out my Rumble, my Patreon, my Twitter account. Those are all down in the description. And there's another thing down in the description, a partner on the channel, which is MarxX. I know I've been pushing it a lot, but I really do like this platform. And they're a partner with the channel. So I do like MarxX and what they offer. They offer 100x leverage if you guys are interested in that. I just recently traded with $100 multiple times, and I've gained about 65% on my $100. I'm up to $165 or so, $165.68 on this balance on this platform. And the reason why I'm up is because I was using the 100x leverage. Now, I was using it the right way, and I want to make sure that people are careful when they are using leverage. Anytime you're using money that really isn't yours, you want to make sure you're careful, and that is a sure thing when you see that go up or down. You can buy or short on this platform as you are leveraging, but as you can see with my history, you could see I've made a few positive trades where I had $10 here that I had off of ADA. I had $4 here off of ADA. I had a $20 profit off of Solana. I did have a $20 loss off of Solana, but then a $5 gain off of Solana, a $1 loss off of Solana, and then $1 gain, $10 gain, $9 gain. So ultimately I'm up $65. And I was trading all with margin off of $100. So again, has its risk to it. If you guys want to check it out, definitely go and check it out. You can trade ADA if you want to get started and see how things really work. The link will be at the top of the description. So let's talk about Solana right now. The entire crypto market is up to a $1.63 trillion market cap. Absolutely amazing to see it at a $1.6 trillion market cap. And you just think about how and where it was way back when we saw, not even way back when, like a few months ago, where you saw it at a level of 1.2, or even a few months before that, where you see it at a $1 trillion market cap, or you even see it at a $800 billion market cap, how far you would come, right? So you investing at that point would literally double if you put it all into the market and equally distribute it into the market, just like how it is by market cap. You would end up growing that by 100%, which is absolutely phenomenal to see. And we've been seeing a lot of movement in things like Solana, like Bonk, like Ethereum, Jasmy Coin, Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu. A lot of different positions have been moving. And today we've seen a couple of things that have been moving. And one of those things is ADA, which is 8th on the list by market cap when you include all of the stable coins. It's currently at a $54 price. So if we go in here and look at how things have been moving for the last day, it's up 19% in the last day, which is phenomenal. And it's been hovering around this area, right? It did get up to 57 cents, borderline 58, right? And then it did drop down to about 53 before increasing here. Now, during this time period, I ended up day trading it. So I was day trading it over in the MarxX platform, and I ended up gaining a decent amount, like $14 or so, 14%. If I had $1,000, that would be 14% over that. It would be $140 that I would have gained off of those trades if I would have made those moves. But either way, the volume is up to a $1.6 billion day. Last 24 hours, it's up 166%. And the volume to market cap ratio is 8%. So even though we're seeing $1.6 billion, it's still not up in that range to where it is effectively it is effectively, very, very bullish or very, very, active, right? Popular. Well, you see the popularity somewhere around 20 to 30%, but you're not really seeing that right now. Still, the volume is up a massive amount, especially from where it was. Because if you look at it over the last day, it went from 45 cents up to 57 cents or 54 cents where it currently stands. And if you look at the last 7 days, it's up 42%. So, you've seen it grow from 38 cents all the way up to this level of 57 cents. You look at the last month, it went from, again, this level here of about 35 cents, a low point of about 34 cents, all the way up to 55 or 57 cents. So it's phenomenal to see this movement. And I've kind of been sleeping on it because I haven't been talking about it the last day, but I figured I might as well mention something today since it is up 19% rather than being up, like 10% or 5% or something like that. Something that seems like it's standard, even though in the stock market, that would be a massive move. But if we go to my assets, you're going to see that I have Jasmine Coin, and my next top asset is Cardano. I'm currently up about $2,000 on my Cardano investment. And the reason why this has this strength, and I knew it would always have the strength and why I wanted to hold on to this, was this right here. 239 days of typical hold time, right? Days of typical hold time, 239 days. That's phenomenal. That's over a half a year. It's approaching the 3/4 of a year. It's approaching a full year, honestly. And, we're looking at a $20 billion market cap. Yes, a lot of people will go, okay, what's the value that this can get to? Honestly, I see Cardano at multiple hundreds of billions of dollars worth of a market cap. And a lot of other people see the same thing. Not only a $100 billion market cap, but maybe a 250, approaching $300 billion market cap in the grand scheme of things, because this is going to be worth a lot. It has a massive use case. You understand, what it is all about. The popularity behind it is huge as well. It has a 98% to 2% sell rate, 98% buy rate to 2% sell rate. And it only has 35 billion coins in circulating supply. So a lot of people are holding this position. A lot of people believe in this position. And again, I'm holding 10,000. If I go down to my performance, which for some reason it won't show up, I'm holding 10,000, which is worth about $5,489.51. So again, I'm hype about this play. I can't wait for this to show its true colors and exactly where that will go. But that's why I'm actively trading this. So when it gets to a certain point where I can take out my initial investment, maybe a little bit of profit, I'll take out that initial investment and I'll start actively trading with those funds to see more of the fluctuation as it hits certain levels. And I'll be able to profit a little bit more in the short term, as well as profit a lot in the long term. So I don't have to take any more profit later on. I'll probably take a good, out of the 4,000 that I invested, I would like to take like 5,000 total. And have 2,000, technically I invested like 3,000, but I would like to take, this 3,500, throw that to the side. That's my initial investment. Whatever's left, I would probably end up like day trading with and making some moves with and trying to turn that into a little bit more in the end, which I think I can do, especially with a platform like Margex. So anyways, guys, Cardano has been moving. I'm excited about it. I'll continue to talk about it. If this video gets a little bit more traction, let's hope that we can get it to like maybe 2,000, 3,000 views. That would be phenomenal, because then it would give me the fuel to continue to talk about this over other things. You know what I mean? So, and as long as this is pushing up, right? If it has any type of movement to it during the day, then it's warranted. Like it's valid, right? So hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Rumble, that link will also be in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.